What's up, you brainless plebeians? I'm back. But you know what? I've decided to change things up. I'm now gonna do scummy, clickbaity titles. I'm gonna try and be the scummiest YouTuber out there. Forget Nikocado Avocado. Forget Futuristic Hub. Forget freaking Mini Lad. All of those guys are in the past. I'm gonna be freaking scummier than that. I'm gonna go down low to the bottom of the ocean and lick a whale carcass clean of all its meat. I'm going to freaking tear open the intestines of a freaking isopod and eat the scum out of that. That's how scummy I'm getting. Now, who wants a free giveaway? I'm giving away this mower, this ride mower, for only $10. I swear it works. Wink. I'm also gonna show ya my best friend right here. You know, he and I go way back. Did you know we met in a bar? You know, he saved my life. You know what he did? You know what this lad did? He some guy was trying to start shit up by trying to hit me, and he came in and took all the blows. That's why his mouth is duct taped shut. Because his jaw was dislocated. He absorbed all the blows from the guy trying to hit him. He was my shield. But yeah, that's why he's got a tiny little jumping spider on him, and he's got duct tape over his mouth. Ain't that right, buddy? All right, buddy. That's enough out of you. But anyways, okay. Now, we're going to do something now we're going to do the ultimate power move right here. It's called the POG. All you have to do is make your eyes wide and crazy like this, and then you have to stare directly into the camera, and then you have to move your mouth. You have to move your mouth in a specific shape, like the shape of an O. See? Okay, now, before I do this, it is important that you like the video beforehand, because you will disintegrate from the sheer pogness of my pog. So, like and subscribe in 3, 2, 1. There. Now, if this video doesn't get 50 billion likes, more likes than the population of the earth, I'm going to go to your house and key your car, and you know what the message is gonna be? It's gonna say, "Pog or else." Why am I doing this? Anyways, 3, 2, 1. There, I just pogged. I pogged for you all. Now take a look at this axe I found. Look at this axe that I just found. Bring it down. Make the camp counselors frown. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. There was a spider in there. There was a big-ass spider in that. Damn. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? But enough about me. How are you doing? I'm just suffering from postpartum depression. Yes, that's right, I'm a woman. And I gave birth. Nah, seriously. Nah, I'm not a woman. I bet this is really cringy to y'all. This is super duper cringy. This is a super low effort video. I gotta check on this rabbit here. Rabbit, how are you? Oh, you're doing fine, buddy. Look at this cute little guy. Yeah, he's got water. And he's got food. Now take a look at this nasty ass pool right here. Look at that, there's a dead moth inside. Bet you this holds like 50,000 mosquito larvae. Oh yeah, look at all the mosquito larvae right down there. Oh, look at that, the makings of the spider web. Whoop. It's all destroyed now. I made a spider homeless. I made a spider homeless just like the HOA does to people who don't have their grass that below 0.5 centimeters in length. Yeah, that's right, I know about the HOA. Now what else? Need to check for my list of shitty clickbait videos. Oh my god, did you see that car? It almost hit me. It almost hit me. It was like just 5 feet away from me. Wow. I could have died. Just kidding. I'm actually dead on the inside. Heyo! No, but seriously, I am a ghost that has come back from the dead to make cringy clickbait videos for you all. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm going to have the title appeal to as many things as possible. I'm going to say that rabbit is sus. Yes, that rabbit right there is sus. He has been sitting there eating grass all day. Who does that? A sus person would. A sussy BAKA. What the hell am I doing? My soul will forever be tormented. I am in the underworld right now. And this is my hell. Now, okay, so we did the giveaway. We did the shilling out for likes. We begged for likes and subs. Okay, we begged for likes and subs. We said the words sus, imposter, and BAKA in the same sort of paragraph. We lied about a whole bunch of different things. We showed a weapon on screen. I'd say that I have filled out most of the requirements for a clickbait video that only does well because it gets recommended to everybody. And you know why it gets recommended to everybody? because the YouTube recommendation system and algorithm is so messed up that instead of giving you videos that you'll actually watch, it'll just churn out what is most relevant, what has the most views. You know why it has the most views? Because they deemed it that way. Because it has the most things to appeal to. I guarantee that if I put in a title with all caps and emojis and a pog face, that it will go up and it will get millions of views. Oh, and hey, that's another thing. I filled the 10-minute mark. That means it's extra available to be recommended to everyone. Yay! But yeah, I guess that's it. So, bye.